Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my July Premium Boxycharm. I'm going to be going through every single product that I received in my Boxycharm today. I will try most of the things and I'll let you guys know what I think, give you my review. So Boxycharm usually has like a monthly theme of each box that you get every month, and I don't know if there's one for this month because I usually get a little card describing all of the products that I received. I didn't receive it in this month's box, and I got another box like that last time as well. So I will be doing my research on the products and telling you the price, and I will link everything down below. So the first product that I received in my Boxycharm is this cuticle oil, and I was actually pretty excited for this. I've never got anything nail related on my Boxycharm, but I've been really into nails lately. I bought like this gel kit on Amazon. This is the, I hope I'm saying it right, CUCCIO Cuticle Revitalizing Oil. It's milk and honey and it smells so good. It literally smells like honey, and I'm really excited to try this, and it's a really big bottle. I checked online but it didn't have a price, so I went on Amazon and I found it for $6.99. So I really like it for the price. I feel like you get a really good amount and it smells really good, so you can't really go wrong with some cuticle oil. So the next thing that I got on my Boxycharm is this Bitter Green Essence Toner. This is actually a brand I've never heard of or tried. This green essence toner retails for $95, you guys. I mean, that is pretty pricey. It's almost $100. And this toner claims that is a conditioning treatment that saturates the skin with hydrating and purifying green ingredients that help smooth the texture of the skin and protect against dehydration. So this is really nice that they sent this out. I appreciate all skincare and I'm always down to try new stuff. So I'll be using this for a few weeks. Hopefully it does amazing to my skin, because who wouldn't want that? But yeah, this is the second item on my Boxycharm, and so far I'm really liking it. I feel like there's different variety. And regarding to that, we have the next thing over here. This is the Nelson's J Beverly Hills Moisturizing Healing Mask, and it looks like this. I haven't tried this yet, but I will be trying it and I'm excited. I really love hair masks, and I actually want to dye my hair lighter, so this will definitely be coming through for me. This says that it's an Oregon Oil 7 formula, delivers combination of multi-benefits. It detangles, controls frizz, prevents hair color from fading, seals split ends, protects from chlorine and salt water, which that's really cool because it's summertime, you know, if you're going to be in the pool or at the beach or whatever. This also restores silkiness and shine and enhances natural body, and has a coconut scent. Let me smell it, see how. Okay. Yeah, it smells like cocoa butter. It smells so good. It feels really silky, so I'm really excited to try this on my hair and see how it looks. And I checked online and this retails for $24. Alright, so for the next product, we have the BROWBAR Hollywood Icon Collection, and I believe this is a face palette. Let me open it up really quick. This is what it looks like, and this is the face palette. It comes with 1 bronzer, 1 translucent powder, 2 blushes, and 2 highlighters, and 4 eyeshadows. Okay, so that's how that looks like. I'm guessing these will be the 4 eyeshadows, the 2 highlights, maybe the translucent powder, the 2 blushes, and a contour shade. So we're gonna go in with a few shades. I'm gonna start off with the bronzer, which I believe is this one right here. First off the bat, my opinion, I would think that the bronzer would be the biggest pan, and then you'd have the 2 blushes here instead of the bronzer, because this one's really small, so your brush is really hard to get in there. It's a really nice color. It's very bronzy. It's not too orange. I just really don't like how small the bronzer is, because I feel like I'm just gonna get some of the blush as well. Okay, so it's pretty nice. It blends out very well. It has a really good color. It's nice and opaque. I don't mind it at all. So now let me go ahead and try the blushes. I have these 2 colors over here for the blushes. I'm gonna I'm gonna mix both of them and see how it looks. That is actually really pretty. It's super pigmented. I love the color. It's like a really nice peachy color and I'm really into those. So I really love the blush. I do want to kind of dig into this translucent powder because it looks really white. So I wonder how it's going to look. Okay, so it's actually not that bad, but it is very powdery. I'm not sure if you guys can tell. It did blend out nicely, but I mean, it's not the best translucent powder out there. I do think it's nice that it came in the palette as well, just because you have the bronzer and the blush, and you could just use it if you have the same palette, or you can take this palette somewhere and you don't have to take the big translucent powder with you. So that's really cute. I'm not going to try any of the eyeshadows because I actually got an eyeshadow palette, which I'm really excited, in the box, so I will be using that instead. But these are the colors right here. These are actually really pretty. They have some neutral tones and we have some like really pretty like shimmer shades. So let me swatch this one actually because it's like a really nice emerald green and it's like calling my name. Wow, that is so nice. So I might dig into this color and see what we come up with. We'll see. But the eyeshadows look really nice. I really like that. Let me swatch this highlight. I'm actually going to go in with one of these highlights because I really want to try it. I'm going to take the lighter shade, which is this one right here. It's a little bit powdery, but it doesn't really bother me. It doesn't look bad. I really appreciate that the highlight, it's not like crazy blinding. I don't know why I haven't been into highlight a lot. But so far, this is pretty good. It's pretty nice. There's nothing like crazy that stands out to me from this palette except the blush. The blush is really pretty. I love the peachy colors on this. I will definitely be going back to this palette just to use mostly the blush because I really liked how it looks. Alright, so for the next product, we got the Morphe x MANNYMUA-Glam palette, and I was actually really excited that they added this. Cool. Let me show you guys the palette, which is awesome. It has like this like marble design on it and it has the name over here. It's really nice. And then when you open it, it has a mirror, which I really appreciate. It has like this gradient pink all around it, and these are the shades. Morphe eyeshadows are bomb, you guys. Like if you haven't tried them, you need to. Like they're really affordable and they're really nice and pigmented, so I definitely recommend you guys try this. It also comes with 2 highlight shades which look beautiful. This is why I didn't want to try the highlight on the other one, but I'm gonna be trying them on anyways. Really love how it has all the neutral colors over here. We have some pinks, we have some dark colors and some shimmers. We have this color here too that looks like that emerald green, but this one looks a little bit more darker. But let me go ahead and zoom you in, and I'm gonna try to create a little bit of an eye moment with this. Next up, we're gonna go with this pinky tone shade. This is called Fire Witch. I'm gonna take it a little bit under my transition shade. Now taking this darker brown shade called Spellbound, I'm going in with the smaller brush and I'm just gonna focus it at the end of my eyes to darken up the look a little bit. Now taking this champagne color called Scorpio, I'm just going to go in with my finger and apply it to my lids. Taking like a flat brush, I'm just going to like blend everything. Alright y'all, so I really wanted to go in and incorporate this color here because it's calling my name, and look at this color. I swatched it, and as I'm swatching it, I'm like, is it me or is it changing colors? Like, let me show you guys how this looks. What? Is that matte? This is such a beautiful color. Like, it just gives me like I thought it was like a green emerald gray, and then when I swatched it, it's like this like really like, I don't know, it like completely changed colors, which is so cool. And I just wanted to show you guys because I wish I would have used this color on my lid because it looks so gorgeous and so different. Like I've never seen that before. I really like that. I'm gonna go ahead and take Spellbound, and I'm just gonna apply it on my lower lash line just to tie up the look, and then I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, so I just finished my eyes and I applied some mascara. Now I really want to go in with these highlight shades because this palette is so bomb, you guys. Let me go ahead and try. I think I'm gonna go in with Nova first. It's like a pinky highlight. I really like this more of like a blush topper, and I think it really would complement your blush really nicely. So I want to go in with a little bit of Apollo on top of that. Right on my nose. I haven't applied this much highlight in a really long time, but I'm really living for it right now. I think this palette is really bomb. I really like the shades. I think it's so different too. It has a really like cool like eyeshadow shades that you can play with. So I really like this. I definitely recommend it if you guys haven't tried it out. And this palette retails for $20. And I think it's a 10 out of 10 for me. I really appreciate that they added this on the BoxyCharm. Last product that I received on my BoxyCharm is this lipstick set, and this is by FOLLYFIRE. I've never heard of this brand before again, and this little kit retails for $39.99, and it comes with 3 lipstick shades, which is really cool. I like this. This is nice. I appreciate some lipsticks. I haven't gotten some lipsticks in a while, and if you pull it up, you get the 3 lipsticks over here, and these look like more of like a red vampy tone lips. I'm gonna be swatching the 3 of them so you guys can see the difference. This is the first shade. It's called Full House. It's like the perfect vampy lip color. They seem very creamy and very pigmented. I think this is more of a satin finish. Next color we have is called Sunset Boulevard. I think more of like a pinky color. The last color is called Here to Slay, and I believe that this is the red shade. Yeah, this is the very red shade. Wow, that is so pretty. I think I'm gonna go in with the more vampy color just to complement my eye look. So I'm gonna line my lips with the MAC lip liner in the shade Cork. Going in with Full House. So it's a little bit more red than I actually thought, but I really don't mind it. It went on pretty nicely. It is very pigmented. I like the colors, but this kind of gives me more of like a fall vibe. I don't know about you guys. It gives me more like of a October, you know, like fall vibe. And supposedly the theme of the box is sunshine, which is the completely opposite, but I mean, who cares? You still get the 3 lipsticks, and we still got really good products. I really like that the box had like different products. Like I got eyeshadows, I got lipsticks, I got like a face palette, I got a toner, I got a hair mask, and some cuticle oil. So I literally got a little bit of everything, which is really cool. I like that. Let me add everything up for you guys. Again, these are the prices that I found online. Some of the stuff were from Amazon, so I'm not sure if the prices are completely correct. So let me just do my math really quick. Okay, so adding everything up, the whole box comes up to $230 with 98 cents, which that is crazy. I mean, the toner especially, like that is 95 bucks, so it's already worth the money you pay monthly. I mean, you are getting a pretty good deal, and if you guys like makeup and beauty and like to try new stuff, I definitely recommend you guys sign up for Boxycharm. I have the premium one, but they also have the regular base box, which I know it's cheaper than this one. I decided to switch up to this one because I had been doing the base box for a couple of years now, so I wanted to try something new, and so far I feel like I really have gotten really good products that become my staple, and I would repurchase, of course, and you just get to try new cool stuff and brands you've never heard of, which I really like. So yeah, that is pretty much everything for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell down below, give this video a thumbs up, and comment if you have any questions. I would love to answer those, and I will see you guys in another video.